Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are going to tackle that one huge milestone that stops so many people dead in their tracks, earning your very first dollar online. And we're going to break down the exact, no-fluff roadmap to actually make it happen.
So let's just dive right in with the big question. Why does earning that first dollar feel like trying to climb a mountain? It's not because it's technically hard, it's because of all the doubt, all the noise, and that awful feeling of being completely lost. That's what keeps most people stuck forever. And this slide right here, it just perfectly lays out the two roads you can take. Over on the left, you've got the perfection trap. This is where you do endless planning, you're designing logos, writing 20-page business plans. It makes you feel busy, but it never, ever gets you paid. And on the right, that's the minimalist path, and that's our entire focus today. It is all about a simple offer, direct action, and getting that first little piece of proof.
Now, that minimalist path isn't just some vague concept. It's a super clear 4-step process. This is the roadmap that's going to cut through all that noise and get you from zero to your very first paying client by focusing only on what actually matters.
Okay, first up, we have got to talk about mindset, because this is the foundation that everything else is built on. It really is a single mental shift that changes the entire game.
This right here, this is the core mantra. See, a lot of people get stuck in what's called the 1,000 grind. That's where you spend weeks, maybe even months, tweaking a website or designing a logo. You feel busy, right? But you're not actually doing the work that generates income. Embracing this idea, action over perfection, that's how you break this cycle for good.
And this is your secret weapon against that perfectionism. It's called a minimum viable offer, or MVO. Think of it as the most stripped-down, bare-bones version of your service that still provides genuine value. It's not supposed to be perfect, it's not supposed to be packed with features, the whole point is speed and value.
So here's a crucial point. For this first client, your goal isn't really the money. Not yet. It's all about getting proof. That first dollar is tangible evidence that you give to the most skeptical and important investor you will ever have, which is your own brain, that this is actually possible.
All right, let's get into action number 1. Choose your skill. This whole thing starts with simplicity. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to do 5 things at once. The key is to pick one lane and just stay in it.
And look, you don't need a 4-year degree for this. You just need one simple, marketable skill that businesses are already paying for right now. Things like video editing, social media management, maybe copywriting. Just pick one, learn the absolute basics, and believe it or not, you're ready for the next step.
This slide basically shows you the entire game for this first step. It is not about becoming a world-class expert overnight. It is a fast, repeatable loop. You learn just enough to be useful, you practice on one tiny little project, and then you immediately offer that skill.
Okay, now for a rule that might actually surprise you, because it goes against pretty much everything you've probably heard. For your first client, forget the website. Seriously, don't waste weeks on tech headaches. You need to go where the customers are already hanging out. This quote is just so important because it's the key to getting started fast. Building a website is just a classic form of procrastination. It feels super productive, but it's not. Your job is to find buyers, not to sit around and wait for them to magically find you.
So where are all these buyers? Well, they're on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, literally searching for people with your skills as we speak. They're the local businesses in your town with a terrible website. They're even in your social media DMs. These are the places that connect beginners with paying clients every single day. Your only job is to just show up.
Okay, so you've picked your skill, you know where the buyers are. So what do you actually say to them? This is action number 3, and it's where your minimum viable offer really comes to life. Your profile on these platforms needs to be an MVO in itself. Keep it brutally simple. We're talking just 5 things. 1 clear promise, 1 simple price, a specific title, 3 benefit-focused bullet points, and a fast delivery time. That's it. No fluff, no long story, just that.
All right, let's see how this all comes together in a real-world example. We're going to talk about the story of Alex, who started with absolutely nothing but an idea.
So Alex felt completely stuck, working a retail job with no clear future. But a simple observation sparked an idea. Alex noticed that the local bakery had a really, really bad Instagram page. And this tiny, fragile thought formed, hey, maybe I can help.
And even though it was absolutely terrifying, Alex walked right into that bakery and made an offer the owner just couldn't refuse. Let me manage your social media for 1 month, completely free. If you like the results, then we can talk about a fee. This is action over perfection in its purest form.
And just by focusing on small, consistent actions, like taking better photos, writing engaging captions, Alex created a real, measurable result. The bakery's follow account tripled, and more importantly, people started coming into the store saying, "Hey, I saw that cake on your Instagram."
And at the end of that month, the bakery owner didn't just say thank you. Nope, she pulled out her checkbook and wrote a check for $200 and asked Alex to keep doing the work.
This right here, this is the absolute key takeaway of this whole thing. That $200 didn't make Alex rich, but it was life-changing proof. It proved the doubt wrong. It proved that a skill learned for free online had actual real-world value. It was the win that was needed to go out and get more clients.
And that's the real transformation, isn't it? Earning that first dollar, it fundamentally rewires your brain. You go from being a lifelong consumer to being a creator. It's the action that shatters the fear that keeps most people on the sidelines.
So let's end with this question for you. Based on everything we've just covered, what is the one small, imperfect action you can take right now? Is it choosing a skill from that list we showed? Is it creating a profile on Fiverr? Maybe it's walking into that local business you were just thinking about. Find that one step and go do it. That's the entire secret.